Don't you just love the good ideas?
That was your idea.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
No,
Start it from the inside out.
I didn't say throw the bucket in there.
Well, throw the bucket in was my idea. But you said start it. You said start it from the inside out. Yeah, I still have gas in it.
Well, it's burning down now.
Do the pipes work? Fill it with water.
Here, grab this one, Lush.
Oh, here
OMG. Who's in the doghouse now?